This video is about 3-8 multiplying greater numbers. We've multiplied 3-digit by 1-digit numbers and 2-digit by 2-digit numbers, but in this video, we're going to talk about multiplying even bigger numbers. Specifically, we're going to focus on multiplying 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. And the nice thing is we're still going to use the same strategies, the standard algorithm and partial products. So I'm going to show you this example, 745 times 13, first using the standard algorithm. Remember, I need to multiply the numbers on the bottom by each number up top. So I'm going to start from the right and move to the left. First, I do 3 times 5, which is 15. Then 3 times 4, which is 12, plus 1, which is 13. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 1 is 22. I'm done with my 3. When I move over to this 1, since that's really a 10, I need to put a 0 in the 1's place. Now I can multiply 1 by each number up top. 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 7 is 7. And lastly, I add these numbers up to get my final answer of 9,685. We can also use partial products to solve the same problem. Off to the side, you're going to write the facts that you are multiplying each of those bottom numbers by. So I'm going to go ahead and just write out those bottom numbers 3 times each, since there are 3 numbers up top that I'll be multiplying them each by. Remember, you need to multiply the numbers by the value of the digits. So this 4 up top here is not just a 4, it's a 40, and the 7 is in the hundreds place, so it's 700. I also will multiply that bottom 1 in the tens place, 10, by the 5, the 40, and the 700 up top. 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times 40 is 120. And I'm just crossing these off as I go so I know that I did each one. That's a great strategy. 7 times 3 is 21 with 2 zeros at the end, 2,100. 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times 40 is 400. And 10 times 700 is 7,000. My last step is to add all of these numbers up. And 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 7 plus 2 is 9. So again, I get the same final answer of 9,685. I'm going to show you one more example side by side so you can see how the traditional algorithm and partial products look next to each other. So on the left here, let's do the algorithm. I'm going to multiply each of these bottom numbers, 4 and 7, times each top number, starting from the right. So we'll start with the 7. 7 times 2